Well, with these new 6 knits, we're really looking ahead. First off, for tonight, because we're going to deal with knits, we're going to deal with t-shirts. So I wanted to put up some fun new fabrics for you. This is 100% viscose Italian. It has stretch in both directions and all the spring colors. All your bright, intense. It's got a black background, but look at your reds, your blues, your greens. Everything's the intensity that spring is bringing us. Then we have this beautiful, this is called Gucci Blue, and it's only $19.99 today. It'll go up, but only today. It's beautiful. It's 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. More in one than the other. Isn't that beautiful? This is this cobalt blue that's so popular for spring. It's just everywhere. This is a border print. Love this. We're going to just look a little bit at border prints tonight and just see what fun they can have. But they are just, this is just really pretty. This is a viscose poly, and it has stretch in both directions. This is a Versace blue. It's a little bit lighter blue. Great, 100% cotton. Great fabric, has stretch in one direction. It's beautiful. Just a beautiful quality that you just can't find. Olive green is such a great base for spring. It's becoming a basic. And so this is just a great color to go with that. And we see the leaf pattern, natural fabrics, not florals, but natural fabrics are what's going to be really popular. This is just $14.99, great price. And then our last one here I put in because of the animal prints. We continue to see the animal prints. This is 100% viscose. This is just incredibly soft. It's beautiful fabric. Stretch in both directions. And again, just $19.99 today. 14, I can't remember. They're $14 and $19.99 today only. You guys know what the goal is? The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.